So, hello everyone, welcome to Mastermind Matchsticks. Today we are going to learn Maths SSC Board, class 10th, practice set 1.3, question number 6. As in the previous video, I have taught you question number 3. And now we are going towards the advanced level, which is 2x plus 3y is equal to 2, the sixth question. So, let's begin. Okay. So, the question is 2x plus 3y is equal to 2 and x minus y by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. Okay. So, now we have to verify that is the given equation in standard form or not. So the given equation is in the form of ax plus by is equal to c. Yes. So no need to convert this into any other form. Okay. So first of all, we will write the value of a1, which is equal to 2, a2, which is equal to 1, b1, which is equal to 3, b2, which is equal to minus 1 by 2, c1, which is equal to 2, and c2, which is equal to 1 by 2. So you will tell that the value of y by 2, that is b2, is equal to minus y by 2. We can't take y by 2, okay, minus y by 2, because y multiplied by 1 by 2 is equal to y by 2, okay. So we will consider this one because we don't want variable in this, okay. So by Kramer's rule, we will first find the value of d. D is equal to a1, a2, 2, 1, b1, b2, 3 minus 1 by 2, which is equal to 2 multiplied by minus 1 by 2, minus 3 multiplied by 1, which is equal to minus 1 minus 3, which is equal to minus 4. Okay, you can understand this because 2 and 2 gets cancelled, remains minus 1. 3 multiplied by 1 is equal to 3 and minus side. So minus 1 minus 3 is equal to minus 4. Minus minus became plus and value of bigger sign is minus, so minus. So minus 4. Okay, so now the value of d is minus 4. Now finding the value of dx. Dx is equal to, you can also write now finding the value of dx in your answer book. Okay, so dx is equal to, what is the formula for dx? C1, C2, A1, A2. Oh, sorry, B1, B2. We have to replace this by C1, C2. Okay, so 2, 1 by 2, 3 minus 1 by 2. Okay, what we will get? 2 multiplied by minus 1 by 2 minus 3 multiplied by 1 by 2. Okay, so which is equal to minus 1 minus 3 multiplied by 1 by 2. So as I taught you that y multiplied by 1 by 2 is equal to y by 2. So here we can get that minus 1 as it is, minus 3 as it is, but we will multiply this by this and give denominator as 2. Okay, so minus minus becomes plus, so we have to add this. So minus 1 multiplied by 2 upon 1 multiplied by 2. Why we have multiplied by 2? To make this denominator same. After making this denominator same, only we can solve this question. Okay, so you must know the formula or the concept of LCM or HCF. Okay, upon 3 by 2. So we will get minus 2 by 2 minus 3 by 2. So minus minus became plus 5 by 2 and bigger side minus 5 by 2. So the value of dx is minus 5 by 2. Now finding the value of dy. dy, what is the formula for dy? A1, A2, C1, C2. Okay. So what is the value of A1, A2? 2, 1, 2, 1 by 2. No minus. Okay. So after that 2 multiplied by 1 by 2 minus 2 multiplied by 1, which is equal to cancelled 2, 2, 1 minus 2, which is equal to minus 1. Okay. So this was, if you can't do, you must do plus, here plus. Okay. Plus minus minus, so you have to minus this. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1 and give the greater number sign, which is minus. Understood? Okay, so the value of dy is equal to minus 1. Now finding the value of, by Kramer's rule, I will write here only, minus 5 by 2. Dx is equal to minus 5 by 2. By Kramer's rule, x is equal to dx upon d. What is the value of dx? Minus 2. Minus 2, oh sorry, minus 5 by 2 upon minus 4. Okay, so now how to do this? Okay, so this is in division, we have to convert it into multiplication. So 5 by 2 multiplied by 1 by minus 4. Okay, most of the time you will not get this case of doing this much lengthy process and solving the questions, but some of the times you will get it upon minus 8. We will get 5 by 8. Okay, now we got the value of x as 5 by 8. Okay, now finding the value of y. So y is equal to how much? dy. dy upon d, which is equal to minus 1 by minus 4, which is equal to 1 by 4. Now verifying the answer. So after solving the question, you must verify it from the back side of the page. Yes, and our answer is totally correct. So the value of y is equal to 1 by 4 and the value of x is equal to 5 by 8. At the last, you are supposed to write the last sentence as the value of, yes, I'll show you how to write it. You must write that the value of x is, or first of all, you must verify this by putting in the values. So what was the value of x? 5 by 2 plus What was the value of y? 1 by 4. Yeah, I think so. 1 by 4. Yes. Is equal to 2. Now, how to solve this? 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8. 5 by 4 plus 3 by 4, you get 2. So 5 plus 3 is equal to 8 upon 4, which is equal to 2. 2 is equal to 2. RHS is equal to LHS, or LHS is equal to RHS. Okay. Now you would have problems. So first you have to write 3 multiplied by 1 upon 4. Okay, it is the simpler process. So after doing this, you have got LHS is equal to RHS. So now you are accurate of your answer, and at the last of your answer, you can write that the value of x comma y is. Don't put is equal to sign. Some of the time in a hurry we put is equal to sign. So put x comma y is 5 by 8 comma 1 by 4. Also you can write that the value of x and y is 5 by 8 and 1 by 4 respectively. It is important to write this word if you write like this, because you must understand that the x has this and y has this answer. So for knowing that, you must write respectively. If there is, you will not write respectively, you won't get the marks. So better you can choose this option, the value of x comma y is equal to 5 by 8 comma 1 by 4, and hence you have sorted out your answer and you can go on to the next question. Okay, thanks you.